If DaVinci Resolve is throwing an NVIDIA driver error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can get your system working properly again. This problem is usually caused by an outdated or corrupted NVIDIA driver, or a CUDA mismatch between your driver and your version of Resolve. So the good news is, in many cases, you can fix it without reinstalling the whole app. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, close DaVinci Resolve completely. If the app is still open in the background, make sure it's fully shut down before making any driver changes. Next, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience. This is the easiest place to manage NVIDIA drivers, check for updates, and install the correct version for your system. Once GeForce Experience opens, go to the driver section and look for the latest game-ready driver or studio driver. For video editing and color work in DaVinci Resolve, the studio driver is often the better choice because it's designed for creative applications, but either option can help depending on your system setup. Install the latest driver available and let the update finish completely. This step is important because an older driver can cause Resolve to fail when trying to use the GPU, and a fresh driver often restores compatibility right away. After the installation is done, restart your computer. Don't skip this part, because the restart applies the driver update properly and clears out temporary conflicts that may still be active in memory. Once your system is back on, open DaVinci Resolve again. If the error is still showing, the next step is to verify your GPU settings inside Resolve itself. Go to Preferences, then open the Memory and GPU section. This is where Resolve controls how it uses your graphics card. In the GPU processing mode setting, switch it to CUDA. CUDA tells Resolve to use NVIDIA's native processing engine, which is usually the correct option for NVIDIA graphics cards. If it was set to auto or a different mode, changing it to CUDA can often fix driver-related GPU errors instantly. After you make that change, save your settings and restart Resolve one more time. That restart is important because Resolve needs to reload the GPU backend and reinitialize the graphics system with the updated setting. If the issue was caused by an outdated driver, a corrupted install, or a CUDA mismatch, this process should resolve it in many cases. To recap, the fix is simple. Close Resolve, update your NVIDIA driver through GeForce Experience, restart your PC, set GPU processing mode to CUDA inside DaVinci Resolve, and restart the app again. If you followed those steps and the error is gone, great, you're ready to get back to editing. And if you want more quick tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.